In my last video, I promised you that I will show you how to attach a band to a wig. So here we go. Hello and welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to be using a band, a scissors, and of course needle and thread. Before you start, you want to measure the length of the band. If this is your wig, you can measure it with your own head. Just measure from ear to ear. But if it is for a customer or for someone else, or your friend, your sister, your enemy, you can measure with a tape, or you can measure it directly on their head. So you go ahead and measure. Pull it while you're measuring it. Don't just use the actual length. Pull it a little bit so that you can get the tightness that you want. Then you cut it. After that, you put it, you turn your wig inside out. Place the elastic band, exactly the way I'm doing it right now. Don't put it directly on the lace, because the tension is going to tear the lace after some time. You don't want that, because you obviously want to have your wig for a very long time. So don't put the elastic band directly on the lace. You can just put it just beside it, like exactly how I'm doing it in this video. So after doing that, you go ahead and sew both sides. If you like, you can go over it like twice, just to make sure that the elastic band is firmly secured. So after you're done sewing the other side, your elastic band is done. This one is very straight to the point. It's not rocket science, no stress, and that's it. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.